Welcome! Let's install your new Honeycomb shades. Here's the tools you'll need. Hold the headrail against the top of the window opening and make it flush with the top edge. Please be careful not to dispose of the cover pad. It's essential. Push the lever firmly inwards until it snaps into place. Slot the side channels onto the end caps of the headrail and ensure they are flush. Don't worry, we'll show you a close-up. Let's hide the fibers for clarity. Look closely where the side channel locks in. Repeat for the opposite side. The distance between the side rail end cap and the edge of the window opening should be around 3/8 of an inch. Insert the bottom channel into a side channel, press down, and rotate 90 degrees until flat and level. Press the bottom rail down, then lock it into place by pushing the lever down until it snaps into place. Lastly, install the cassette cover. Notice the magnets. Congrats! You're done! Enjoy your new Honeycomb shades, and thank you for choosing Select Blinds.